Okay guys, today we have a Porsche Carrera 4 GTS for the engine oil service. Okay, let's go to do the service. So first of all, we need to open the oil filter. Let's go. You need to open the engine bay. Here you can see, you can open. Okay, let's go. Okay, we open. Okay, here you can see the cooling pan, and you have to open this one and the air intake also. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay, you open this plug first. Okay, then you just take out. Okay, I take out the fan. Here we have to check the aircon also, because this car aircon not full. Then I check the aircon system got leaking, so I open. Let's go do the service first. Okay, here you can see this is the intake. So I'm going to open the intake. Whoa. Okay, I open the intake. Here you can see the oil filter housing. So from here you can open the oil filter. You need ticket? No. Excuse me. Excuse me. Huh? Here. Morning. Clean this. Do.